You know, I'm not gonna lie to y'all and tell you this is the best cribbing job ever, but it's cribbed. It's got backup cribs, and it's chocked on both rear wheels, and you know the wheels are off the ground. That right there is the bubble on that number 2 tire that was kind of the impetus for replacing these things. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them off with the impact and hopefully take them into town tomorrow, get them replaced, and well, hopefully get the new ones mounted on Wednesday or Thursday. That'd be nice. And this truck will be about ready to transport up to the mine. Oh, would you look at that? I think someone up there likes me. That thing didn't even need to be barred off the hub. Fronts are off. Oh, this isn't going to be the most fun in the world. I really don't like tires. Big, annoying rubber donuts. Because these wheels are canted inwards a few degrees, you're working against gravity to slide the wheel onto the hub. It's also part of why they came off so easily. That looks okay. I'll take her for a spin, this next weekend and torque them up after that. The motion you're seeing there is the slop in the steering system. There we go. You know, it's always easier the second time you do something like this. Well, that wasn't the most fun job, but it's done. Just got to take her off the cribs. Well, I've got the new tires on the buggy installed. They're aired up to 50 psi. I'll have to probably check with Young, see what they recommend as an operating pressure, but 50 seems fair. You know, they look a lot better, just by virtue of being new. I don't love how the valve stems stick out like that, but it should be okay. Glad that that's done. We were tentatively scheduled to haul this truck up to the mine this next weekend. I'm looking forward to that. Because once we get it up there and the fan is running, then we're going to start hauling out of there. That'll be a real cool I was going to finish this video out with, oh look, I put the tires on the buggy, but this kind of is a little bit better of a job of showing what we got done. We're down here at the 130 level, trying to load out. Just had an issue with the overhead rigid vent bag, vent pipe. Some of the line wire that's holding it up decided to snap. It rusted out, so we had to shore it up. Over there, Pecos is on the 911, grabbing a bucket.
You know, that's not the end of the world either. It's just parking this further down the drift and you open up the tailgate at the side spot.
Yeah, that'll work.